Hi, is everyone? Hi. My name's Nameless Joe. All right, that was a bad intro, but who cares? Who's judging me? You are. You're judging me there with that stupid face of yours. My face is stupid. Alrighty, this is bad. This is a bad intro. I called you stupid, and all right. Let me just take two. Hey, beautiful. There we go. Redeemed myself. I'm listening to A Flock of Seagulls. I ran so far away. A Flock of Seagulls, maybe the one of the most kind of weirdest names that I've heard on my channel so far. By the way, I'm a brand new channel. Only started a couple weeks ago, so any type of love, any type of support, any type of kisses, any type of money, I love. Oh my god, I love money. Don't have much of it though. You know what my biggest regret in life was? It was 2 years ago. This guy said, "Here, let me send you some Bitcoin." And I was like, "What is Bitcoin? I have no clue what that is. How do I even get it?" But if that guy would have gave me that Bitcoin, I could have had over $100,000. Hey, learn. But I was too much of an idiot, so I didn't know how to even make a wallet, crypto wallet, whatever. Back in those days, it was like 2 or 3 years ago, actually. Good times though. What am I even saying? Who cares what I'm saying? Let's get into the video. I ran so far away by a flock of seagulls. Not a flock of pigeons, not a flock of deer. A deer's flock? I don't know. Alrighty, let's get into this song so I can give you my opinion and so I can move on with my life. My life sucks, so let's go into it. 3, 2, 1. Very uplifting so far. This is like some 80s emo shit. I like it. Yo, is that Madonna? I like it so far. It really is a good song. Not bad. sounds going on. Rock and roll, bro. Oh man, that song was had it all, man. Had it all, bro. Give my dick a boner. Yeah, I don't even know how anybody would even watch me. I'm very weird. Dude, this song was great though. Really had that sort of gothic kind of feel to it. Like I feel like I needed a cigarette and some coffee. Okay, I don't know why I did that either. God damn, I am not doing very well. Yeah, this song though, it did have a good musical aspect to it. Like the electronic keyboard play, mixed in with the guitar, mixed in with the drums banging. It really set up together a very good song. And this lead singer, he had a perfect voice for this song. I feel like this song couldn't be sung by anybody else, you know. This band, they look cool, they have a good little look to them, you know. I'm curious to kind of listen to more of this band. I don't know if this will do well on my channel. I don't even know what does well on my channel. I have one video with 600 views and I'm like, yes! Even though 600 views is like, it's literally nothing, dude. I am the smallest little atom in this huge unlimited universe of YouTube stuff. So I'm nothing right now, guys. I'm a nobody. So if you guys subscribe to me and stuff, and I can maybe be a somebody. You know, I really do reactions just for the simple fact I like listening to old school music and stuff like that. And I really do kind of want to be an entertainer and entertain people. But were you entertained during this reaction? Just be honest. Was I entertaining, or do I need to do a better job? I have problems. But hopefully you enjoyed this reaction. Hopefully you want to subscribe. This song was a 7.8 out of 10. I enjoyed it. I would listen to it again. I would listen it to with my mama, but she passed away. Alrighty, I gotta go. Peace out.